Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Angie Bolonos Bernalte from Philippines, 26 years old, married, blessed with one son, 3 years old. I was a college undergraduate with a course of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management. I also a vocational pastor in Food and Beverage Services MC2. My work experience here in the Philippines was a local housemaid for 4 years from 2014 to 2018. I served 4 members of the family, the wife, the husband, and their 2 children, aged 3 years old and 6 years old. My main duties and responsibilities was taking good care of their children, doing the house chores like cleaning their house, washing their clothes, ironing, and marketing. I want to go abroad and choose Hong Kong because for me it was the safest country and offer a high wage salary that can help me to earn and save money for my family. To my future employer, please hire me as your domestic helper because I am responsible, hardworking, trustworthy, loyal, and patient. Thank you and God bless.